Come on, bud. You got this.
Cool, eh? We're at like the peak and it's friggin' scary.
Jelly's kicking.
It's weird, around this time I get like achy feelings. Must be growing. It's kicking.
Jelly was really kicking yesterday, like last night, after we got back from our epic hike.
Yeah.
So yeah, today's Labor Day, it's Monday, and it's been a fun, busy weekend. On Friday, I had a show with the band. That went pretty well. Then yesterday, Lou and I and Jelly Bean went for a nice little waterfall cliff hiking adventure.
Hey everybody, it's
guys?
Sunday and we're going on a little adventure today. We're hiking a trail that takes us to a waterfall / a peak.
There's a couple waterfalls. There's Two's Falls, which we just passed. We're gonna go back to it. There's just a bunch of people there.
Yeah, it was really busy, so.
But we're right now hiking to this overlook that we've never been to, so.
Yeah, as a fun little Labor Day weekend adventure. And literally right next to us is this, I don't know if you can see it. It drops down like right there. The waterfall's over there. Yeah.
Come on, bud. You got this. I'll push you.
No man, I'm good. I'm good. We're at like the peak and it's friggin' scary.
It's pretty far down.
Look it. Don't go too close, Robbie. I need you.
Tired?
It's just hot. Need a little break in the shade.
And now it's Labor Day and we feel like being somewhat productive and doing a little bit of exploring as well. There's a new cafe
Not far.
not far from
And
here.
it's open?
I'm pretty sure it's open. They posted on Instagram today. We're gonna go check it out. Then we're gonna go to the nursery and get some plants to make this place feel a little more homey. And then we're gonna try and do some decluttering and organizing to make it feel a little bit better in here because it just feels like the right way to spend our time today. Plants.
There. Try again.
So we had
Can you see?
It's hard to see in here. It sucks because the fan automatically comes on with the light, but
Yeah.
we've had succulents here before, and one of two things happened. Either Lou killed them.
That's likely. I'm not gonna water them as aggressively, but also Ralph knocked them off the wall.
Yeah,
so.
they're not in the best position, but honestly, I like plants in the bathroom. Lou likes plants in the bathroom, so we thought we'd give it a try.
And apparently there's a window in there, and with showering and stuff and mistiness, it's supposed to be good for succulents. That's what the lady told me.
So far, that has not proven to be true. But anyway, we got a couple of those, and then we also got this air purifying plant, which will hopefully purify our air.
Here's hoping.
And now...
These other ones I haven't killed yet. These three.
Yeah,
That's
they're a
pretty
little dry,
impressive.
but they're still alive, so...
They're still kicking. So, you know.
Anyway, we are... now we're going to try and do some organizing and decluttering, and
I'm trying to focus. Like, I'm just going to do the kitchen.
So Lou's going to focus on the kitchen and just go through all the cupboards, get rid of stuff that we don't need, and organize it better, and just make it a little more streamlined and simplified, a little more minimal. Try to get rid of all this stuff that we don't need.
There's so much stuff we don't use.
Stuff that we don't use that's just sitting around, and it starts to accumulate and we get frustrated, and we want to be ready to move and travel. So what's up, peeps? It is like a few hours later, and we've just been cleaning. Lou decluttered the kitchen.
Entire kitchen.
She's gonna post a video for you guys on Wednesday, if you guys want to see that. And I was just trying to organize a few things over here in the living room. It's not a lot different, but just trying to clean some things up and make it look a little more organized. There's a lot to do still, and we're still trying to like just get rid of a whole bunch of stuff, and it feels like it's been a while since we've done a bit of a cleaning day slash purge day, so we've got more stuff to donate now and get rid of, so success.
I think we're stinky.
We're sticky, it's hot and humid. So we're gonna go have a cold shower and then maybe go enjoy the last little bit of our holiday on the patio somewhere. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on Wednesday for a kitchen decluttering video. Peace, love, and plants.
Cool.